1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, I'm Princess. So we will teach you the numbers 1 to 10 how to speak it Tagalog. Are you a foreigner? Go here in Philippines. Want to know how to say in Tagalog 1 to 10? This is the perfect video for you. By the way, here is the disclaimer of my video. I am a Filipino citizen who teaches the language and do not have a license as a teacher. This video is just a free tutorial, so no complaints are allowed. Let's start now. 1. In Tagalog, isa. 2. In Tagalog, dalawa. 3. In Tagalog, tatlo. 4. Tagalog, apat. 5. Tagalog, lima. 6. Tagalog, anim. 7. In Tagalog, pito. 8. In Tagalog, walo. 9. In Tagalog, siyam. 10. Tagalog, sampu. Let's check